What's up guys, Fix Alex here. Today I'm gonna show you how to replace headlight bulbs on this 2019 Honda CRV. So the first step is to pop your hood, open your hood. There is a lever on the side, move that lever and the light bulbs. This is our high beam light bulb and this is low beam light bulb. So gently press that lever over there, remove connector and twist your light bulb. So the light bulb for the low beam is H11 and the light bulb for high beam is HB3. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to my channel and see you soon. I'm sorry, the light bulb is 9005 for the high beam. 9005. Thank you. Bye.